guys.
Kimani, look! Oh, I thought you were counting down. So you won't be in our picture.
Alright. Alright, Monica, I'm recording.
I was just coming.
It's not bad, but I feel like my ears drum.
Now I gotta watch you guys. I gotta watch you use it.
Okay, let me put her in the video.
I got it 4 times. All right. 1, 2. One, 2, 3. 1.
Look how we started.
Yeah, look how we started. It started with you coming at us. We jumped twice.
Yes, if I jump right down, watch it from down there.
See, he's right there.
I jump by myself.
No,
He's right there.
he's right there. He's gonna jump with you.
Yes. Just go. You should think it too much. Just do it.
Right there.
Too much. Yes.
Look at right there.
Check him out.
What?
Do you want to start over there?
You got it on. I'm ready.
There we go.
Woo!
All right, there we go. The wig stayed on.
The wig stayed on.
Yes.
What'd you say?
in Negril. Seas a little rough, little chop. Big waves coming in. Negril at the beach. Wow, check this out, guys. Really big wave. Check this out. Look over there. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Yeah! This is nice. The sun is out. It's very beautiful, but like I said, the sea is a little choppy this morning. And as you can see, this is your surrounding, guys. We have the boats ready to take you out.